thing's trying to kill me. Whoa! Holy! Hey, the roof works as a brake anyways. Okay guys, 69 Losi drag Camaro, stock out of the box. I haven't done a thing to it. Nothing. Tighten up the wheel nuts, that's it. And dropped my, what do I have in there? I have this battery in here actually. I'll show it to you. This is the pack I'm running, a shorty pack. 100C burst, 7.4 volt, 2S. We'll see what our runs do. I am ready on the drag. So let's do it. Seems to be pretty good. Ooh, very. Let's do it. Ooh, that's straight as an arrow. Unbelievable. Ooh, that's a lot of brake. Straight as an arrow right off the hop, man. I can't believe that. First run. Did you guys see that? That just hooked and booked. Hooked and booked. Let's see what the GPS says on that. Straight out of the box, guys. Did nothing to it. Read. It says 9.9, 19 miles an hour. It's a lie. Okay. Let's go back. Drag. $132 feet. Done. Ready. Drag. Stop. 132 feet. Ready. Okay, let's try this again. It says it's ready, right? Stop, ready? I guess. If I know. But it hooked right up, man. I couldn't believe that. Right off the gun. No pissing around right there, I'll tell you. No pissing around, I'll tell you. Is ready again? That was my fault. That was my fault. I hit the steering and I shouldn't have. I hit the steering and I should not have done that. It was going beautiful. Here we go again. No. Try that again. Woo! Read. 6.7, 27 miles an hour. There's no way. There is no way. Ready. I'm just going to do a pass, not even try it. I'm not even going to try and get it going. I'm just going to see what it does. Just straight off the hook here. Read. Yeah, see, 41 miles an hour, and I didn't even try. Time elapsed 9. See, the time is wrong. Something's wrong with this thing because it's no way. That should be about 3.2 seconds, 3.3 seconds, not 9. So what's wrong with this thing? Okay, it says it's ready. Real time. just do a straight run again. Let's not try and beat it up. Just want to see how fast it goes. And I wasn't even pushing hard on it. Wasn't even pushing hard, so let's see what it does. Okay, the read is red. It says it's done. 8.9 at 39 miles an hour. How is this even possible? What is going on with this thing? Well, I'm not going to do any good times if I can't get a time, right? But it is going straight though. I wish I had my carpet. With myself, but there you go. 43 at 3.25. That's better. Okay. 43 miles an hour at 3.25 seconds. Let's try this again. Drag. Ready. Yes, let's try this again. So 132 feet. Oh yeah, I'm way within 132 feet. That's for sure. I think I'm going to burn up a set of tires. I'll tell you that. Hey, you guys ready? Wide open. That was full blast, wide open. I couldn't do any more. Okay, read 310, 44. Got better. 2 miles an hour more and 1/10 of a second. Let me do one more. Remember, guys, this is stock out of the box. I have done nothing at all to the car, just the way it came out of the box. So to me, I think that's pretty damn good, man. I'm quite impressed just right out of the box. Okay, do it again. Let's try to get a straight hook. Dudes, that was pinned from the beginning to the end. Pinned. I didn't let off it once. But you seen we were sideways twice. That's where we probably lost some time. Read. Yeah, 3.3 at 43 miles an hour. It was that twisting of it sideways. Let's do it again. Ready? Ready. And the pack might be dying too right now. So. You guys ready? Let's try it again. No. Last pass for today. Last pass for today, guys. I think I'm killing these tires. How are we burning these tires up? Yeah, see, my tires need to be adjusted as well. You can see the tires there. Let's go again. One more. And I didn't reset the GPS. I think that's what screws it up. Doing the double take. Read. Yeah, that's what screws it up. Okay, I'm not playing the game right, as you can see. Last one. I just got to remember to fix that GPS when I do the pass if it messes up. tires aren't bad though. I like these tires. These drag tires are nice. There we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. That's it. That says. Okay. Here we are. Read 32, 43 miles an hour. So there's where we're at. We're at 32, 31, 43, 44 miles an hour. Listen, man, that's pretty good for a right out of the box car. You know what I mean? And it's been pretty straight. I haven't touched it. I haven't done any suspension work. I haven't done nothing to it. So we'll get into some suspension and we'll change everything up. And yeah, see how it goes. Anyways, that's it, guys. What else can I tell you, man? All right, guys, there it is, man. Losi drag. Gotta like it. Pretty cool car. Solid as a rock. 43 miles an hour. 3.2 seconds out of the box. No questions asked. Didn't touch a damn thing on it. You can't complain about that because we can only get better from here. All right, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, ring the bell, support the channel, help me out, and I'll keep them coming, okay? See you later.